if you want to succeed in business, you have to do the work. People had to throw money at me so that I would I would take it. I can't start, I have not posted online for a long time. He made me take the leap. That I had somebody take me by hand and say, like, let's go. I've had 79 leads altogether. My business was in standstill, and I have now gained 9 new clients. And it makes me laugh because for my clients, I give them typically 9 months to start their business. And look at me now.
Good day, Mari. How are you doing? How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Cool. So how would you say in 30 seconds what it is that you do?
Oh, I have a business. I'm a transformational business coach for women entrepreneurs, mostly coaches, therapists, healers.
Got it. How did you find us? How do we kind of meet online?
Oh, we met. You came into my Insta feed and you said, "Hello, European coaches," and that kind of like, what for me? Yeah.
Let's go. And what kind of success have you seen by working together? Because I think it's a couple of months right now. I see that we started to working approximately in April. So yeah, what has been some of the key successes, some metrics, some numbers?
Oh, okay. So in end of April, I had, like, my business was in standstill. I've been in a business for 15 years. I've had my company 10 years in the Netherlands, moved back to Finland, and started working under this other company, and knew that I have to move away, like start doing my own business again. And when I did that, I literally had nothing. And then in 2nd May, my ads were up, and I started getting leads in. And then I started my group program, like that. I got, from now, I think I've had now 9 clients come in with private clients as well. So my offer is 2,500. And then when I get private clients, those are somewhere like between 3,000 and 5,000, I'd say. And I have now gained 9 new clients, which is like I have my business up and running.
Let's go. And how was the process with working with our team? Like what kind of major things you did, and what was the kind of the process? How do you feel, or what happened?
So for me, I think the most important one was the first meeting with Ralph's, when I was so hesitant with my ads. I was just like, I can't start, like, I have not posted online for a long time. Like, I don't have the following, like, how can I do this? And he says, no, we just do the ads, and we got the great visuals, and we start doing it. And he made me take the leap. So I didn't. Before, I was alone with these thoughts, and I stopped myself. So I think that's one of the biggest wins for me, that I had somebody take me by hand and say, like, let's go, we're doing this.
Love it. And what kind of success did you see from the ads? Like, what was the cost per lead? What kind of right now is the cost to acquire a client who is worth 3,000 to 5,000 for you? What are some of the numbers right now?
Okay. So I've had 79 leads altogether. This does not include all of July. I've not had my ads running for 2 weeks now, but I have had 79 leads. Cost per lead is 24 euros approximately.
Okay.
When I started, I was first a bit afraid of the ad cost and the lead cost, but like right off the bat, I saw the quality of the leads, really high quality leads. And sorry.
What was the offer in the ads that got these quality leads?
I offered them a free what is it called, growth clinic meeting with.
Okay. Clever
Yeah.
name. Clever name.
Yeah, it is. Yes, thanks to Ralph's. We have a clever name for that.
Good, good. And what was the cost to acquire a customer, or how many of those leads became meetings, and like what kind of, can you walk me through the numbers a little bit?
So I have managed to have about, I think, 45 meetings.
So almost half, or even more than half. So it's like less than 50 euros per qualified meeting, right?
Yes,
Good. That's
yes.
very good numbers.
Yep. And for that, because they are really good leads, they show up. So I think my show rate is around, I don't know, 80%.
Good, 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 good.
And even those that are not showing up, they are apologizing not showing up and rescheduling sometimes. So that is really, really nice.
And how many, what's your closing rate? How many of those meetings are you enrolling as clients?
I have currently enrolled 9, and my group program is up and running, and there's one private client within that number. I am working on starting a second group in August time, and then that probably is another 8 students coming up. But those offers are out, and we have continuing conversations now with 7 people.
Let's go. So approximately like 20% closing, or even a little bit higher. Congratulations on that. One of the key things that is important for us is, do you feel right now you have a proven process to generate clients on demand? If you decide to start ads, you know you can get new clients.
Yes, so I started my ads today again, and because I'm filling the group. So yes, I do have the process.
Let's go.
One thing that's been really difficult for me has been the Facebook ads. And I cannot believe I'm saying this, but when I started my business, I actually did these ads for my clients. And then, but it's long time ago. So I very well like fell off the track with Meta, all things Meta for a long time. And now that I've had this, like I get so much help from you guys that to me is so priceless. I love it. I've been now, 3 months in the program. I still have 3 months left. I have my second offer coming up. I'm starting my membership program pretty soon. It's like all these things are happening. And it makes me laugh because for my clients, I give them typically 9 months to start their business. And look at me now.
Let's go.
So faster.
Let's go. What were some of the challenges before? One of them you mentioned was to get the ads running. What were some other challenges maybe before working with us?
Oh, Nix, you're gonna laugh. So when I had my first sales calls, I didn't even realize I was getting an objection. It took Rimus's calls for me to like realize that actually what I'm hearing, those are objections, Mari. So you need to like deal with those. Oh, okay. So I really literally started my sales skills like from scratch, and I've had my business for quite some time, but I've always felt that I'm such a poor salesperson that I just like people had to throw money at me so that I would I would take it. And now I kind of understand how sales work, which is really, really good.
Really appreciate that. So we have helped you to improve your sales abilities so you can close more clients. That has been a cool thing. Appreciate you saying that. We'll let Raivis know about also you saying that. You know, it's very important for him to know it. How has this changed for you, where you have new clients coming in and you know how to get them? How has this affected outside your life, outside of the business? How has it affected life outside of business?
People see kind of a sharper version of Mari today. Like I work to get clients. I have my priorities straight. My family realizes that this is my job and not a hobby. And I like it looks different. I have also pushed some boundaries that it's summertime. In Finland, July, everything's quietening down. After midnight summer, everything stops. So what I did was that I got so annoyed with myself not selling that I created a flash sale on midnight summer eve.
Okay.
Like it lasted 6 hours, and I made €6,500.
Oh, let's go. Oh, that's good. That's good. What did you do? What did you do, by the way, so other people can learn?
So I slashed my coaching price so that people were really compelled to buy bigger packages. So I sold 1 year coaching package for the following year. Then those who were just, I don't know, sipping their wine on the terrace somewhere, they just bought sessions, and it was really nice.
Let's go. Let's go. This is really great. And last two things. What would you say to someone who's still thinking about working with us and just watching this video? What could you say to that person?
Do it. Stop about it. Just do it.
That's a good one. Just do it.
Just do it. I mean, like, you can think about these things for so long, and you can just get twisted in your mind about should I or should I not. But once you do it, then you are in that position of getting the results. And it's after that decision where that happens. It doesn't happen earlier. So just do it, because you're doing it for yourself.
Let's go. And last thing, I know you have a website called, and I will probably mispronounce it. Maybe can you tell me what's your website and where people could find you if they want to find out more?
Yeah, so mariuusitalo.com, MARIUUSITALO.com.
Yeah, and we'll also put the link in the description so other people can check it out. Yeah, you have a nice website. I really like it. I have it open for me right now. I like watching it. Okay. Do you have like an Instagram or something like that, or better it's through the website?
Yes, Instagram is, my handle is @Mari_Uusitalo. So it's my name.
Let's go.
And on Facebook, you can find me with Mari the Coach.
Let's go. Okay, cool. Hey, sharp people. By the way, if you want more leads, more sales, more meetings, more customers, below this video, I have a presentation where I show and demonstrate how we could help you to get more customers, more leads, and more sales. So if this is interesting, click below to learn more. But now let's get back to the video. And lastly, I want to ask you, do you have some kind of like how is it in English? Some kind of a thing you would like to say to everybody, just like a final wish, or how do you say that? I forgot the name. How do you say it? You know, when at the end of the thing you say, I recommend everybody to just stick with their goals and like move forward and just do it. You know, like this kind of like last saying. How is it?
A motto.
Yeah, like a motto, or like a final kind of wish to everybody who's watching, you know?
Okay. So I guess it would be that there are no free lunches. Like you can't, like if you want to succeed in business, you have to do the work. And oftentimes it doesn't look like it when you look at Instagram feeds and all that. It doesn't look like, it looks really easy. But when you commit to it and you take personal responsibility around it and you really put your focus on it, you can grow a business that then can change your lives and other people's lives.
That was a great one. That was a great one. So thank you a lot, Mari. I will see you for sure next week. Next week, by the way, I'm like 3 times. So we're gonna meet with everybody. We're gonna have this like new thing which is called the coffee hour. So we're gonna drink coffee Fridays. So
that's why the coffee machine.
Yeah. So we can do it. So thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing. I'm very happy for you, for your results. And I know you will exceed them even more, get even gajillion more clients and scale and grow your business. And I'm very happy for you. And thank you for your time with us today, spending and taking this interview and also sharing your feedback about how it was and how it is still.
Yeah, cool. Great. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Thanks for.
Stay sharp and see you next time.